Was in the right place at the right time with the right training.
DeSoto County Captain John Bingham was driving on Church Road and Tullahoma Road Friday morning when he saw a car crash. He says one car was thrown into a ravine. In the car were two teenagers headed to school.
They didn't even know they were in water. They thought they were still on the road because everything happened so quick.
Bingham said he had no time to grab any of his gear. He ran out there thinking if he didn't get to the car soon, it would have been swept away.
I'm gonna wait for backup. It's just like in any other situation, not that this has happened or hopefully it won't ever happen here, but if we have an active shooter, we're not waiting for backup. If we're there, we're going.
Bingham said this was the department's third water rescue this year. The only difference is this one was caught on camera.